Myself, Dr. Umakant Singh, working as a sports officer in Madhya Pradesh Government Higher Education, and previously I worked with Kendriya Vidyalaya, Wellington. On occasion of National Sports Day, I congratulate all the Indians to celebrate this day. 29th of August is celebrated as National Sports Day throughout the India on the remembrance of our legend Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand has a very golden history in the field of hockey. He started his international career in the year 1926 and he played the international match till 1948. Throughout his career of 22 years, he made more than 400 international goals. And his history is also very valuable to us because he has three Olympic gold medals, that is 1928 Olympics game, he secured gold, again in 1932, and at last 1936 Berlin Olympic Games, he got the gold medal. If you talk about Major Dhyan Chand and his philosophy was to become a good citizen through the means of sports. Now, as we know that our country is facing COVID-19 challenge, and to overcome the COVID-19 challenge, immune system is one of the most powerful thing. I request or I appeal from this platform that please work on your fitness and please do spend some time for the playing activities individually nowadays so that you can improve your immune system. Sports is a natural medicine to improve your immune system. This day we also talk about how to promote sports and we can also see how to make career in sports. All the kids, those who are studying in schools, they can opt sports as a career. You can see there is a lot of career in sports, whether in the colleges or in the schools or in the field of management. Once again, I congratulate each and everyone. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Ashu. I am student of class 12th Commerce of Kendriya Vidyalaya Babina Camp. Today I am going to talk about National Sports Day. As we all know, National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th August every year in the memory of Major Dhyan Chand, one of the best ever sportsmen to, to have graced the game of hockey in the hearts of many Indians and make it a special place for the sports, for hockey sport. When we look back, we remember the era when India won gold medals in hockey in 1928, 1932 and 1936. And the era was led by none other than Major Dhyan Chand, where he scored 33 goals in 12 matches. Major Dhyan Chand was born in Allahabad in UP. He has joined army at the age of 16 and there he saw first time hockey playing and get attracted towards the sports. But he had never played the sports earlier in his childhood. So he started practicing the sports and with his dedication he is one day known as the Wizard of Hockey. In 1936 Olympics, when Dhyan Chand displayed his unbelievable skills by defeating Germany at 16-1 and scored 15 goals alone, a German newspaper had a German newspaper carrying a headline: "The Olympic complexes now have the magic show too." And then the next day, posters were posted in the whole posted over the whole Berlin city, displaying "Visit the hockey stadium to see the Indian hockey magician Dhyan Chand." He has scored 400 goals over his whole career between 1926 and 1948. After giving many achievements and glory to the Indian hockey, he passed away on 3rd December 1979, but he will remain in the hearts of many Indians. The most noticed memorial for him is the Major Dhyan Chand Award, which is awarded to the Indian people for their lifetime achievement in sports and games. It is also very important for the students to start developing sports skills in them, which can bring many qualities in them like leadership, teamwork, strength, planning and strategies, etc. Thank you.